Well, we're back in the wood yard today.
Oh yeah, just tidying up.
What are you trying to do? Clean up and put that in my bucket?
That's what I'm thinking, and you can carry it down to the pit.
All right. Friday afternoon.
Friday afternoon.
So today it's still windy, can't do much outside. Today is a little nicer, at least it's nice and sunny. It warmed up to 10 above. The winds have calmed down to probably 10, 12 miles an hour now. And we have a load of firewood logs coming today. We're buying this from a firewood contractor, the logger. Talked to him on the phone quite a bit over the last couple months. I've not ever met him. So his driver's on his way out with a load, so we're going to see what that looks like. And he says he may have 5 loads for us. So that's going to be pretty nice. And we're going to take you around today and just show you how low we are in our inventory after the logs come. It has been, this is the lowest we've been.
Slim pickings.
Yep. So I think we've got about 10 cord left. That's mostly all sold. We've got about 35 to 40 cord to process if this wind ever dies down. Jill thought she's going to try it today, but I don't know.
Probably not.
She can. I'll load the deck if she wants to do it. So I moved some snow back. I'll take you over in the RV park when the log truck gets here and give you a shot of that being unloaded. And this load that's coming today, before we forget, we paid 17 bennies for it. So that's what it costs. That's about the max we can pay. We do have another contractor that's going to get us a little bit more for a little bit less, but it's going to be later on toward the first part of May. And the other good news is that we were telling you last week, we have some big changes coming in the Alaska Woodyard, and it is verified we do have some big changes coming.
Yes, we have a meeting this next week coming up, so we have an idea of what we have to do.
So we'll explain to you more, but the company we're working with did get awarded the contract from the state. It's a pretty big job, and a lot of that's going to take place here in the Alaska Woodyard. So we'll keep you updated as soon as we get a contract next week. We'll spill the beans and let you know what we've got going on here.
Spill the beans?
Yeah. Or the wood.
Yeah, spill the wood.
Okay, so I'll head over there and wait for him to come for the wood, and you can
I'll go and take care of this.
Tidy it up. You can dump it in my bucket. I guess I'll go dump it for you.
Okay.
That is good. Give him a shot. That's good burnable dry kindling wood.
Yeah, I could burn it in our stove. What was I thinking? We have so much of it.
Dump it in there. I'll get rid of it. So I'm using the tractor today, the Kubota. We hope we're done for the snowblower for the year. And as you can see, our lot, it's getting pretty bare. The wind really dries everything out. We really like to have some more wood cut because it's drying so nice this time of year with the sun and the wind, and then it freeze dries out every day. It's perfect time of year to dry wood. So Jill will get cleaned up here, and we'll be back with you guys. Well, I don't know if you can see through my dirty window or not, but I'll take Jill's debris down, and then we'll head over to the RV park side of the property. And so this is our burn pit where we burn all of our pallets and scrap wood. It's up against a big rock ledge. You got a nice hole down here, so as soon as we get a calm day, we'll light this afire. Well, let me take you up on the hill here. I got a little bit of, you'll see, I got sand and gravel that sloughs off the hill. And the sun beats in here, so it's nice dry sand. And we use this to sand our driveway. And I'll give you a shot of the road up on the hill. That's where I head up through to get the opening scenery shots from King Mountain and our wood yard. Let me grab a little bit of sand here for a couple icy spots. Get back around here, give you a shot of the yard in King Mountain. Beautiful sunny day, just windy. Looks like we got a load. So the wind is still blowing. I don't know if this is going to turn out with that wind, but so what do we have over there? Inventory's pretty low, isn't it?
It's very low.
Got a nice beetle kill for Jill's bundlewood. Trees are bigger than they look when you get up to them.
Yep. Oh yeah.
A nice, pretty nice wood overall. Well, we finally got these hound dogs. Diesel, let's go, little boy. Birds are happy. Can't see with the sun, but the flag is flying. Well, I got to use the loader today, got new batteries in it. So that starts right up even in the cold weather. Moved a lot of snow, got ready for the load of logs as you've seen unloading there.
I got my space over here all cleaned up, getting ready to start processing. I just have to wait for the wind to die down.
I knew she wasn't going to process today. That wind is pretty raw. We do have a nice sunny day though. I guess the dogs are on a mission. Go over here and check and see how this wood's drying out.
With all this wind, it should be bone dry.
So this is the last you just cut. Oh, it's cracking.
Oh yeah.
This has been cut maybe 4 weeks now. Have to check in our records to see. We know this is fresh cut. Yeah, it's cracking nice. Starting to.
So how many cords do we have here that's already cut, split, and stacked?
We got 12 left. So we're gonna have to. I gotta have my sunglasses on. It's so bright.
You got to turn.
Yeah, into the sun. That's right. So we're gonna have to start marking our wood, at least a magic marker like John does at frickin' Jeep. He usually labels his wood if he doesn't forget. Then we can tell when it was cut. So I think we're gonna have to start doing that. Keep track of when the wood was cut and stacked.
Right.
Or tag it or do something. So I just wanted to let you know we're low on inventory.
Well, I don't have to worry about stacking this wood over here because the customer is coming to pick that up.
So yeah, they're coming to grab that. I guess the dogs are going on their own little walkabout over there. There's Isabel the woodhound. Izzy. Let's stand out here in the wind and so it's still pretty hard to get anything done. That wind is still brutal. No mosquitoes to speak of, really.
No.
So thought we'd just bring you along. They brought that load over and unloaded it. We hope that turns out in the video here.
It probably will.
So we're gonna buy, I think, 5 loads of logs if he's got it. We're gonna get some extra wood in the yard and then keep Miss Jill busy this summer.
Well, I need to. We have maybe 30 that we brought in.
Yeah, maybe 30, 35 cord left to process, and then we're going to be caught up, which is low inventory for us. So normally even in April, May, in June, Jill's always doing a lot of processing. Just this year, we didn't get any cut ahead in the winter. So it's going to be hard to get a lot of extra dry wood ahead. So anyway, from the Alaska Woodyard, we keep the sawdust flying.
And thanks for coming along.